Hello guys, welcome to another video on the Reality Tech YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Well, today we are going to talk about some legit wrap covers. This time I have got the covers from Wrap Shopee. The link is in the bio. I must tell you that I have received over a ton of covers till date, ton of wrap till date, but this is one of the most finest quality I have ever received. On my left is my new Poco X2 with a brand new color as well. I've got bunch of wraps and I'm going to try out them. Don't forget to click the link in the description. Wrap Shopee, and I must say, I'll be very honest about it, this is really the finest quality. As we all know, there are two steps to apply these wraps. First is the wet wipe, second is the dry wipe, and that's how you are going. Well, first is the vintage textured skin that I'm going to apply. Another one is color changing skin, then it's the crocodile black skin, and then crocodile white skin. You can see there is some texture around it, and this is the crocodile white skin. These are the four skins, four wraps that we are going to try. And to begin with, I've got the vintage one, is quite my favorite. It gives your phone a quite retro look. It makes it look quite legit considering the print quality. I must say the print quality is excellent. As I said earlier, that this is one of the finest quality of wraps I have ever received so far. As we all know, and I will repeat, whenever you apply wraps on your phone, start from the bottom. Most of the guys, they start applying it from the top. That's how you make mistakes, and then the quality as well as the overall look is not that great. So start applying it from the bottom. So even if you make mistakes, you can always probably calibrate it again. So that's how you're going to begin with. I've always said this: make sure that you leave no air bubble whatsoever. No air bubble, or else the entire quality, entire performance is going to be hampered with that. So just make sure that you put it at the exact same place, a flash and the charging socket. If you just manage it well, then the thing is quite easy. Considering the sides of your phones, I have always said that whenever you are applying wrap on your phones, don't forget to use hair dryers so that the entire glue is fixed quite well. There I have another heater that I'm going to use. Sorry, dryer that I'm going to use. Switch off the phone for some reason. Since I'm going to use heater, it probably may damage the screen, so switching it off. There it is. Side is the most crucial part. That is where when you have to take extra care, that is where things may go wrong and you may ruin the entire experience of applying a wrap on your phone. So side is where you have to be careful. Once the sides are done, there it is. There is the new look of your Poco phone. There it is, how it's going to look. I'm super excited to see the entire look once it's done. Yeah, almost there, almost there. It kind of gives me Pirates of Caribbean vibes, isn't it? The entire cover. Well, as you know, this is the vintage textured skin that I'm applying to my phone right now. There it is. There you see. There is how the masterpiece looks like. Oops, I made a mistake. Go there. Yeah, get it done. Absolutely. So this is how my phone looks like after applying the wrap. Excellent quality, I must say. There is some excellent quality, and don't forget to apply the camera cover as well. I've seen quite a few guys who apply the wrap and then they don't apply the camera wrap, then that's going to ruin your experience again. So again, make sure when you are applying the camera cover, your lenses are not covered. There it is. Now my phone is even more sexier than previously it was. That is the vintage textured skin from Wrap Shopee. The link I have mentioned is in the description. Click there, smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to like and share this video. Don't forget to check out the skins from Wrap Shopee. Excellent skins for quite a few phones. And do let me know your experience in the comment section. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.